Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start our topic, which is making solutions. Making solutions. So open your books, page number 56. On page number 56, we have making solutions. Know that when a liquid evaporates from a solution, a solid is left behind. A solid is left behind. What does it mean? It means if you have a solution like tea or coffee or sugar is mixed in water or some solution, if you make water evaporate, you will get a solid back or behind. Okay. Now, the big idea is we can measure the amount of a substance
Hi, teacher.
dissolved in water. Hello.
How are
Hi,
you?
teacher.
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Seawater is a solution because there is salt mixed in it. So that's why seawater, yani moya hagal bahar, it is solution. If you swim in the sea and then dry in the sun, you can see crystals on your skin. There is the salt. This is the salt
No,
that
teacher.
was dissolved in seawater. They are saying if you take bath or if you swim in seawater, yani bahar, when you come out and dry yourself, your body, you will see
No,
salt on your body.
teacher. Sorry
Whitish.
for.
No problem, Abdullah. You will see whitish salt on your skin. That is why the seawater is a solution. And the question is, where does the water go? Where does the water go? If you take a bath and come out in the sunlight, okay, then where does the water go? The water evaporates with the heat of sun. Evaporated with the heat from the sun. Got it? Okay. Then we have it is estimated that 70% of the Earth's surface is water. How much water we have on surface? On the Earth's surface? Which is the percentage? Yes, come on. Answer me, Khalid, Muhammad Noor, Muhammad, anybody. Yazan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
How
Ahmad.
much percent there is for water on the earth? 70%, 70%, that is water on the earth's surface. Most of this is the seas and oceans. It means ज़्यादा मोया मौजूद फिल bahar wa oceans. That is a lot of water. It in many countries around the world there is not enough water to drink or water crops. Water crops yani hagar nabatat, they need water as well. Okay, amazing fact. 1,260 million trillion liters of water make up the oceans and seas on the earth. Got it? Next question. If you leave a dish of seawater near a source of heat, the water will
Evaporate.
yes, salam, evaporate. Excellent. The water will evaporate. Thank you, good boy. Okay, what will be left in the dish if you have seawater? Seawater. In seawater, ايش موجود في seawater? Salt. So if the water will be evaporated, so you can see salt. Sir?
Yes.
So write a salt. Simple. There is salt. So simply write here salt. Okay, next page, which is page number 57. Think about it. Find out how water can be purified in water treatment plants using large-scale filters. How is it similar to how water is cleaned or in nature? Will this type of filtering remove substances that are dissolved in water? This is the higher order thinking question. Okay. Here on page number 57, we have if you are only given 100 centimeter of water, how many grams of salt should be correct saline solution contain? This is saline solution which is given to this patient. Okay. Khalid Muhammad, open your mic and read this.
Okay. One hospital has a problem that labels on the salt solution have fallen off. You need to find out which of the three solution is the one to give the between.
Give to
What?
okay, Khalid, Abdullah Muhammad, open your mic, read this one.
Okay, sir. Okay. One hospital has a problem. The labels on the salt solutions have fallen off. You need to find out which of the three solutions is the one to give the bin.
Okay, there are three saline solution R, A, B, and C. Plan your investigation, think about it. How will you remove the water from the saline solution? How will you find out how many grams of salt are left behind? So this is an activity. Okay. If you are only given 100 centimeter of water, how many grams of salt should be correct saline solution contain? Okay, write the answer with me.
Sure.
Yes.
Maybe 100,000. Maybe 1,000.
Yes, let me write. If 1 liter,
If 1 liter.
1 liter means 1,000 centimeter cube, okay, of saline or solution This is called saline. So normal saline or other salines are there. This bottle.
We will get 1 million, 1 million milli of water.
9 grams. Just 1 second, please. Then
Then we will
then
get
100
not
100
centimeter
of a sample must contain 0.9 grams. 0.9 grams, not 1000, not million or trillion, whatever you are saying. Okay, so here you have to write on the top centimeter 3. It's mean cube.
Sir,
Yes, 3. Yes.
we have
Fadda.
we have today playing
No,
this.
there is no quiz today.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Maybe on Tuesday, quiz.com, no problem. Okay. Next, we have question number 1. How can you separate chalk from chalky water? By filtering. By filtering, okay. Next, what is the substance that dissolves in water? That dissolves, yani huwa hal fil moya. Like if you put salt or sugar in water, it will be mixed. What is that called? That is called soluble. That is called soluble. Soluble. Okay. What is the substance that does not dissolve in water? Called, that is insoluble. That is insoluble. Okay, next. How can you speed up the process of dissolving? يعني انت هيبقى هل مويه في المويه سرعه. What will you do? Yes, anyone? By which process you can increase the dissolving process? Yes, how? If you want to mix something in water, the water is cold, it will not mix quickly. What will you do? By heating, ya akhi. By heating you can mix quickly, or it will happen fast. What process can you use to separate salt from solution? You can use separate salt from solution by evaporation. By evaporation, by evaporating water, you can separate.
Teacher.
Yes, I am with you, Habibi. Can you hear me? Muhammad? Abdullah Faisal, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you, not say I can hear you.
Okay, teacher. Read.
Okay, thank you. Finished ولا باقي؟
not
Finish, teacher.
finish. أنا سويت سكرين شوت صفحة
طيب okay. You can all take screenshot and then finish, no problem. Okay, take screenshot.
Yes.
In 5 seconds I will move towards next page. Take a screenshot quickly.
سويت أنا سكرين شوت يوم
Everyone كلكم. Okay, moving
Sir,
towards
I
next
finished.
page. Okay, this is a review for this unit. Okay, here we have question unit number topic number 1. Where does the water go? Page 24 to 31, which is based on these pages. At what temperature?
100.
At what temperature water boil? Huh?
100.
100.
100 degrees Celsius.
100.
Excellent. 100 C, but here you should write degree, which will be written like this. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius. Liquid water from wet clothes evaporates. What does this mean? This means water had turned into,
Water heat.
yes, liquid. The water turns into steam, or you can say vapors. Water has turned into water vapors. So you will write the water has turned into water vapor or gas. As you know, water vapor is a gas. Just let me do this again. The water has turned into water vapor. Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Good. What are the 3 states of matter?
Teacher, can I say it?
Solid,
Yes,
liquid,
say
gas.
it.
Solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. gas.
Yes, say it. Why you were waiting? Because this is review, so you should say water, solid, liquid, and gas. Good. Okay, there are. I know that when a liquid becomes gas, it is called evaporation. You know that. I know water vapor turns into gas. It is called water vapor. Yes. I can model the particles of solid, liquid, and gas. Yes. How can we make particles? For gas, for solid, there is no gap. For liquid, there is some gap. And gas, there is a lot of gap. You remember that? If you don't remember, open page number 28. You can see that on page number 28. Okay. Getting the water back. Now, when does steam condense back into water? When it lands on some surface that is called, why this happens? Because steam gets colder, because it gets colder. Okay, what are 2 processes that turn water into clouds and clouds into rain? Evaporation and then clouds. What is that?
And Cloud
uh,
and into cloud.
Huh?
And condensation.
Condensation, yes. Evaporation and condensation. Okay, I will make it like this. Okay. Next is, I know that condensation is the reverse of evaporation. Yes, evaporation, I can understand that importance of water is water cycle. You know that water cycle is very important. If there is no cycle of water, maybe there is no water. Dry and damp air. Decide whether the following statement are true or false. Number one, air contains water vapor. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. Okay. What do you breathe? We do not breathe out water vapor.
False.
Water leaks out from the glass, ice, water, and to
False.
false, and to outside of the water does not leak out from the glass. Remember that. I know that humid air contains water vapor. Yes, of course, there is humidity. It's mean water. Okay. Next, we have question. Topic is boiling and melting. What happens when a liquid reaches its boiling point?
It's evaporate.
Yes, it
evaporate.
turns
Evaporate. اللي تحتها هو evaporate.
into gas. Evaporation means liquid turns into gas. So we can write it turns into gas. What happens when a liquid reaches its freezing point? It turns into
solid.
Excellent. It turns into solid. Very nice. Thank you, Noor. I think first. What happens when a solid reaches to its melting point? It turns into liquid. It turns into,
Sorry, sir, did I come late?
it turns liquid. Yes, you came late, man. Not late, very late.
Teacher, I said sir, did we get anything or only this?
No, we got one more page. I will send you. Don't worry. Okay. Just remind me. I will send you a screenshot. I know that different liquids have different boiling, freezing, and melting points. Of course, for this, the reference page is page number 40. Arbain. You can see there different boiling and melting points for different substances. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
احنا يا استاذ ما خدناش من صفحة
50. Yes, okay. I know. Okay, next is I know what an independent variable and a dependent variable are. They are changeable, so we can change them if it depends on the other. I understand that to make a fair test, this was an activity. Okay. Making solution. Last topic. When solid disappear in a liquid, they have. When solid disappear in a liquid, it is called, we have what? We have dissolved. That is called dissolved. If you mix some salt in water, it will disappear. You cannot see after some time. That is called dissolved, yani mixed. Halayt. Name two solutions made with water and solids. Those are, you can say salt water and you can say coffee. Yes or no? We both made in water. Salt water, the best example is sea water. Okay, next is name one solid that is insoluble in water. Yani huwa mafi hal. What does not hull or mix in water? Who will tell me? Sorry? Sand. Okay. Yes.
sand and paper.
Sand and paper. Yes, this is the best answer. Sand. So one thing here they need, we will write here sand.
I said
Thank you.
teacher.
Yes, good. I know some solutions are soluble and some are insoluble. Of course, I know that liquid is evaporated from the solution, a solid left behind. That is also right. You should take screenshot now. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
Sir,
Faddal.
sir,
I have a
I have
question. I
I
have
have
a
only
Just
four.
a minute. Let me listen. Umar, let me listen. Umar Muhammad. What you are saying, Umar
Teacher,
Muhammad?
what is the homework?
Homer, you did it, na? You did it with me. Khalas. Send me only 59 page. It's enough. Class work is enough.
The
I think.
page is what I did it with you, sent to you.
Yes, send it to me. Khalas.
Okay, thank you.
You understand,
Sir,
Umar
I
Muhammad,
have
everything?
finished. Sir, I have finished.
Teacher,
I
I sent
Tayyib,
I sent the
Tayyib.
homework.
Okay, I will check. I will check. Don't worry. I will check. I will check it. Don't worry.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have a question. Can I say something?
Science is one of my
One by one.
subjects.
Thank you, Yazan. Okay. Who next? Who is next? Abdullah Muhammad.
Me.
Yes.
This page we will get it in the اختبار. هذه الصفحة اللي هناخدها في الاختبار.
في الاختبار خلصت يا أخي. In final term, you will get it. In finals.
Okay.
Yes. When we will have, inshallah, first term exams.
Sir, I
Not
have a
prayer.
question. Sir,
Yes. What is your question?
Can you return it to pages 57 and 56 because I did not answer it?
58, 57 and 56. I will send you
Yes.
link, the paper, okay? I will send you paper. Please
I'll
send me
take
a
it a
message.
picture.
Yes, I
I'll
will
take it
send
a
you. Okay?
picture.
I will send you. Okay, when we finish class, just remind me in personal. Okay, just WhatsApp me, sir. Please send me picture. I will send you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Umar. Okay, boys, this is it for today. See you, inshallah, after tomorrow. Have
Goodbye.
a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.